Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best DSLR cameras are probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools available for capturing stunning photographs and professional quality videos, offering a perfect blend of advanced features, manual control, and image fidelity that appeals to both budding enthusiasts and seasoned professionals seeking to elevate their creative output and storytelling capabilities. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Double Zoom Lens Kit. Unleash your creativity with this incredible DSLR camera kit. It's designed to help you capture life's moments in breathtaking clarity, whether you're a beginner or looking to elevate your photography. Experience vibrant and detailed photos thanks to its 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor. You can also record smooth full HD videos, bringing your memories to life. This kit includes two versatile lenses, allowing you to shoot a wide range of subjects. From expansive landscapes to distant details, you'll have the perfect lens for every shot. Share your amazing photos and videos instantly with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology. It's never been easier to get your shots from the camera to your devices. Achieve sharp focus every time with its advanced autofocus system, including eye detection. This ensures your subjects are always crisp and clear, even in motion. Transform your camera into a high-quality webcam with the included software. Perfect for video calls, streaming, or content creation, it offers superior video performance. What we like. This camera boasts a 24.1 MP sensor and full HD video capabilities, perfect for capturing high-quality images and videos. Its built-in Wi-Fi makes sharing your creations a breeze. If you're a beginner photographer looking for an easy-to-use camera with great image quality and convenient connectivity, this is the one for you. What people say. The camera's autofocus system is incredibly fast and accurate, even in low light conditions. Its intuitive menu system makes it easy to navigate through settings and customize shooting options. The image stabilization feature effectively reduces blur from camera shake, resulting in sharper photos. Number 4. CAMBOFOTO 74 Aluminum Camera Tripod. Easily adjust its height from 20 inches to 74 inches. This makes it perfect for any situation, whether you're taking portraits, vlogging, or capturing outdoor adventures. Its durable aluminum legs can support up to 8.8 pounds, ensuring your valuable equipment like DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, or even GoPros are held securely without any wobble. Effortlessly switch between your camera and smartphone with the included quick-release plate and phone mount. It's ideal for photos, live streams, or video calls. Capture stunning panoramas and dynamic video clips with a smooth, fluid head movement. You can achieve precise compositions without any stiff dragging. Weighing only 2.8 pounds and folding compactly, it's designed for your backpack, road trips, and hikes. A convenient carry bag is included for easy transport. We stand by our product with a 2-year after-sales service commitment. If you encounter any quality issues, we will take full responsibility for repairs and replacements. What we like. This tripod offers an impressive adjustable height range from 20 to 74 inches, providing stability for various shooting scenarios. It's built to be heavy-duty yet remains lightweight for easy transport. If you're a content creator or photographer who needs a versatile and reliable tripod for both studio and travel, this option is an excellent choice. What people say. The camera has a fantastic autofocus system that locks onto subjects quickly and accurately, even in low-light conditions. Its intuitive menu system and comfortable grip make it easy to handle and operate, even for beginners. The image quality is superb, with sharp details and vibrant colors, thanks to the large sensor and advanced image processing. Number 3. CAMBOFOTO SAB265B Tripod and Monopod. Introducing the CAMBOFOTO SAB265B, a professional aluminum tripod and monopod designed for all your photography needs. It's lightweight yet incredibly stable, perfect for any situation. Experience superior stability with its CNC-crafted components and joints designed for longevity. This tripod is built to last, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. Need to change your shooting position quickly? The center column easily detaches, transforming into a monopod in seconds for dynamic flexibility. Capture the perfect shot with its smooth rotating head and precise angle adjustments. It ensures your camera stays locked in place without any stuttering. This tripod features a universal 1/4 mounting bolt, making it compatible with a wide range of devices including cameras, smartphones, projectors, and more. Whether you're shooting events, traveling, vlogging, or participating in online meetings, this tripod is your perfect companion for professional quality content. We stand by our product with a 2-year after-sales service. Enjoy peace of mind knowing that any quality issues will be resolved with free parts or replacements. What we like. This tripod stands out with its unique ability to convert into a monopod, offering enhanced stability and shooting flexibility. Its durable construction ensures longevity, making it a robust companion for your photography needs. If you value versatility and a long-lasting build, especially if you often switch between tripod and monopod shots or need extra stability, this tripod is highly recommended. What people say. The camera has a fantastic image quality with sharp details and vibrant colors, even in low light conditions. Its intuitive menu system and responsive touchscreen make it easy to navigate and adjust settings quickly. The autofocus system is incredibly fast and accurate, ensuring you never miss a moment, especially for capturing action shots. Number 2. Nikon D3224.2 MP DSLR, renewed. Capture life's moments in incredible detail with a powerful 24.2 MP sensor. Experience breathtaking images with every shot. Enjoy your photos and videos on the bright 3.0-inch LCD screen. Its high resolution ensures crisp and clear playback. The XP3 image processor delivers exceptional speed and image quality. It ensures vibrant colors and sharp details in every frame. Adapt to any lighting condition with its wide ISO sensitivity range. This device performs brilliantly, day or night. Record your memories in stunning Full HD 1080p. Relive your favorite moments with cinematic quality. This certified refurbished product is like new, showing minimal signs of wear. It comes with all original accessories and a 90-day warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This camera features a 24.2 MP CMOS sensor and Full HD movie recording, delivering sharp images and clear videos. Being a certified refurbished product, it offers great value with a warranty. If you're seeking a capable DSLR with excellent image quality at a more affordable price point, this renewed option is a smart pick. What people say. The camera boasts an impressive 24.2 MP APS-C sensor, delivering stunning image quality with excellent detail and dynamic range. Its advanced autofocus system, featuring 45 cross-type points, ensures fast and accurate focusing, even in challenging lighting conditions. The vari-angle touchscreen LCD provides flexibility for shooting from various angles and makes menu navigation intuitive. Number 1. Canon EOS 2000D, Rebel T7, DSLR Bundle. Introducing the Canon EOS 2000D, also known as the Rebel T7. This DSLR camera is perfect for capturing your world with stunning detail. It features a 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and a Digic 4 Plus image processor, ensuring every shot is sharp and vibrant. You'll love the clarity it brings to your photos. With its 9-point autofocus system and up to 3 frames per second shooting, you won't miss a moment. The creative auto modes make it easy to get the perfect shot every time. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC. Easily share your photos and videos wirelessly to your smartphone or tablet for instant posting. This bundle includes an 18 to 55mm zoom lens, a 32GB memory card, a tripod, and more. Everything you need to start creating is right here. Beyond photos, it also records Full HD 1080p video. Capture your memories in motion with impressive quality. What we like. This bundle includes a camera with a 24.1 MP APS-C sensor and Full HD video recording, along with essential accessories like a memory card, case, and tripod. It's a renewed international model, offering a comprehensive package for new users. If you're looking for a complete starter kit that provides everything you need to begin shooting right away, this bundle is an ideal solution. What people say. The camera is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around all day without feeling burdened. Its intuitive touchscreen interface allows for quick and easy adjustments to settings, even for beginners. The image stabilization feature works exceptionally well, producing sharp and clear photos even in low light conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.